Good evening, everybody. Bobby Two Pops Breaks. It is Friday, April the 21st. We are breaking Bombox Jerseys Plus Combo Series. It is a one box or one envelope break, folks. We randomed up our 12 remaining numbers. 17 is what we got. We did random teams on your right. We have already randomized teams and customers, everybody. Alphabetized them afterwards. Gave him a couple minutes to trade. It did have some offers there, but nothing going down. Well, going to be our other Dwyer Brown hit, folks. That is the Hey Dad Wanna Have a Catch jersey. John Kinsella for the FOD spot, folks. Bam. Also going to be the Trae Young, folks. For the Atlanta spot, Jets. Going to get the do-over. Nothing on that. Jets. Well, Jeff gonna get that one. FOD. Lone Star gonna get the Kinsella. Lone Star keeps hitting all right in them dang filler spots there for himself. Wow, Terry, very nice hit for you, bud. I'll bring a better picture of that up in a second, bud. You've had some little bit of a slow start for you, bud, but you've been hitting pretty well there lately. All right, let me bring up the Trae Young guys, and while that's on screen, I'll grab our Kinsella. Alright, that is the yellow one. Alright guys, the other tray is pretty much the same except where the yellow background is. It's black on the other one. Just a little bit of a heads up there. Let me grab Kinsella. Like I said, the other one's got a black background versus the yellow there. I like this a lot, guys. I think that'd make a cool frame job. Hey Dave, wanna have a catch? Field of Dreams, Dwyer Brown, John Kinsella, JSA sticker on that Lone Star. JSA sticker on that. Alright folks, that is going to wrap up that one. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch. Call out your keeps. Y'all have a very good one.